my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I am in Oviedo today. This is a 6-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-story home. So let's go have a look on the inside and see what you think. Not only are you in a gated community, if you have school-aged children, you're zoned for top-rated Seminole County Schools, Geneva Elementary, Jackson Heights Middle, and Oviedo High School. The front door is 8 foot tall. You have your dining room here to the right with tray ceilings and recessed lighting. Notice all the baseboards throughout the home, and then to the left you have your flex room. This would make for a nice office. As you come down the foyer, you have a half bath powder room here to your left, conveniently located. The ceramic tile floors are in the bathrooms. You have an impressive front entry with the very high ceilings and beautiful light fixture. This is a 2-story home. I'll take you upstairs in just a little bit. This floor plan has your owner's suite located on the first floor with your tray ceilings and recessed lighting. Plenty of space for a king-size bed with side tables. You have your vanity on each side with your garden tub and walk-in shower. And then you have not just one, but 2 walk-in closets and exhaust fans in the bathrooms, vented to the exterior of the home. Granite countertops and the master suite, and then your toilet with a privacy door. Stain-resistant carpet in the bedrooms. And all of the walls throughout the home are textured. This community has a tot lot. There's only 96 homes, so the HOA is $130 a month. The gathering room is just off the kitchen and lanai, so it's a great place to bring all of your friends and family together. We'll go outside to the covered lanai. You have a nice pavered patio area. There are several landscaping packages with irrigation systems to choose from. It's a nice place to be outside and grill. Plenty of room for gardening. And keep in mind, you will have the opportunity to go to the design center and select different home features. So depending on the person, if they like to cook, you may choose to have an outdoor kitchen. This model has the extended lanai, but there's many other options to choose from. Your casual dining area has big, beautiful windows looking out to your back patio and a door going out. Two nice big islands in your gourmet kitchen, one with a sink and one that's good for storage and chopping. The pantry, and then you have stainless steel appliances, double oven, 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops with backsplash, You have your coffee station. Nice storage closet under the stairs. You have your laundry room right off of your 3-car garage. So it's a 2-car tandem garage. Let's go ahead and head up to the 2nd floor so you can see all of the bedrooms. As soon as you come to the top of the stairs, you have a bedroom here to the right with a full-size bathroom and a double vanity. This is the 1st bedroom on the 2nd floor. Your 2nd bedroom. And all of the walk-in closets do have fluorescent lighting. You have a big game room space with beautiful wood beams on the ceiling. This is the 3rd bedroom on the 2nd floor. With a walk-in closet. And the decorator made this media room a nice movie room. So if you're tired of what everyone's watching downstairs, you can come up here to a nice quiet place. Again, you can see these beautiful high ceilings really make this home. We'll come over to the 4th bedroom. You have a full bath with a vanity on each side. And a walk-in closet. Another walk-in closet, and then last but not least, so this is a pretty big floor plan. If you have a large family, lots of kids, or family that likes to come and visit. This floor plan is laid out very nicely. There are a few inventory homes available in this floor plan. The starting price is $545. If you'd like to have a tour, give me a call. My name's Amanda Haynes. Bye.